Hello everyone and welcome. Messed up your 2024 tax return filed with H&R Block? Maybe you missed a 1099 or forgot a deduction. No worries. First, collect your original 2024 return, new forms like a late W-2, and proof for deductions like receipts. Log into hrblock.com, go to My Accounts and download your return PDF. Wait until the IRS accepts your original return and sends any refund. Check the refunds section on the website for status. H&R Block says amending too early can cause mix-ups, so be patient. I personally waited a week after my refund hit to start my amendments. After that, start amending in the block, log into the H&R Block online, or open H&R Block Software 2024. Free users need to upgrade to Deluxe or Premium to amend. In online, go to Overview, find File and Amendment Return, and follow the prompts. In Software, open your return, click Take Me To, scroll to Miscellaneous, select Amendment Return, and hit Go To. Add new info like a missed 1099R and save. I fixed a deduction error in 15 minutes. Right guys, now we need to do another step. H&R Blocks auto-generates form 1040X, updates changed fields like income or credits, and explain why in part 3. Include only revised schedules or new forms, not the original 1040. For state amendments, check if your state supports e-filing or requires mailing. Instructions are in the software. You can't e-file federal amendments, print and mail Form 1040X. After that, print this form and attach new forms. Mail to your state's IRS Service Center, find the address at irs.gov or in the H&R Blocks instructions. Use certified mail for tracking and check the status under Where's My Amended Return. So that's how you amend a tax return with H&R Block. Get the docs, edit in online or software, complete the form and mail it. Amended yours. Good luck guys, like and subscribe, hit that bell for more tax hacks and catch you next time.